Onua 95.1 FM. Yeah, Junemo.
Osha and to Abomua in the western region, Oshia a year 24. In fact, Hodi Okutia or Moshia so for clergy, baby, I'll be Drubiana or Mua Oshia or Mon Samoka among him for Oshia or more catcher or Mose. Wabema or more to me a crown mono emu aye drew no partner say.
Oh, say a friend saying, for a very long time, and my mom have been advocating for increase and I say to be empowered, no more soon to be contributed to your development. And then, you know, it's an abroad democracy abency. And I know now, you may know me, yeah, they for both from common way, between me, I can say, Omokasa, any, you know, and then nobody others say, and Brandy, I did not show 2 minutes of kakra. And they saw on him for okra, open alcohol, one qua, the Bayan Sakasa, but the report in being what, a switch report in being what, a bit to me, I shall get it and an afro, so in the yard dreams, on in the yard dream, the Kukuti. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is of the view, say, a Shamohono, or more. Omane to me before no man 40 fem ho a to me aboa pa na dia teacher mining 10 near to me nya nkoso ewo fem ho pa na ayefo enana no nti ono na dwum no aka ebe ya yense Constituency act no mbani mu biom na yensa kremu kakra ne yempe kwan bia ye betumi ede tumi kakra sa ma na no na omaboa na ya obeka ya o ka say enka no na you be a friend town development committees. South Town Development Committee. Hello. Hello.
Meto nkapa.
South Town Development Committee, you know. Omo chaired by Ebi Odikro and Obi Wana rep Ewu Kronim. Ebema kwan na bia unit committee members, ni assembly members, na atenasa committees na a chair committee, you know. Eno beboa. Now, so to me play a very critical role in the and it used to be the case until the current local governance structure you way. And it's quite obvious as a science and a now baby and so very actively involved in our development process. And see in all the 5 regions I Omujide said that's the way to go. In fact, I won't come on over the years. Them say, Fapim, and I say, Sicily be near to be faces so, and my fine ye, Juma. Did you be also a we say your allowance be a the paramount chief. Now, the family by me have been say, and your paramount chief on Kwana. It's a fata say, it's a buying an all minor and more allowance. At least the divisional chiefs and also near Quema Descent. The crash almost were. The journals be to be 100, 200 be no Abuja. Now, they are fair, some members in the committee members, any development committees, meetings. Now, almost to me, Afadri and almost people. And the paramount friend is a divisional chiefs, no, and the Quema Descent, no. But now, almost Yapa allowance and more. No more to me, the Abua, aye, Ejuma. And just as you're saying, you know, in each of the regions, you know, the stakeholders are Onua Mushiano, Ayana, unique. Western region say, One, Yama Minimum Papa no more Ponano, Fisher folk, no, and they share Dinkomo. Emma Onua more to dream about the fishing industry. For example, Onuna Dreamono, or did it say, Stellano, you go so a boy home in there, but premix distribution, no, it's also a Juma baby or SSA into your Kai say. Automation process I shall say within the distribution of the premix space, you know. Obeshamukina. Now, you make sure say once you be introduced and as you be enhances our digitalization, a new automation process, you know. A bit more transparency about now accountability and so about the distribution. Him say, a 1 gallon cranny a wa, Ubia benya 1 cup, Ubia and him say, Miss Minyabi, a 1 teaspoon craminyabi, than the situation where the premix na banafi yes I could be pack a because what ebium or also can say beyond say yen papa no near my mom kopu ekoyi number beyond say omo be kwenya premix akose sabano there was sub-sector industries we see to be creating more. For example, cold rooms, no. You see to be near cold rooms, no do a more. You see to be making sure say storage facilities are at least ko yi nam ne ba obetum dey national protecting nam no. You be to be near moment. See, a buying a provided certain credit lines, credit facilities be. Now it to me I empower other people into the sub-sector within the fishery space. To me abona yet to me amasa space and so akonenim kakra. And see nkomodin de kosopa, and to be very honest with you, nkomodin kosono, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is not arrogant about it at all. He is very, very, very humble about the conversation and the fixation and say he free and he ababedua. Dean and I yet to me a year so far. Dean aka as I say is a year come. The aya no or did he say or no a bit to me about by the aya a year a co year no or did he say or no any po bit to me about near bon by they are yen to me yen sooner on in 24 to a dream or she say they have a corner before so I say me adom near the distribution and sa or be born to your queen and they are yen gray woman here kendinia or wakukudru kendinia o hwe ni nkosu a obetimi aka say or de no kre edijuma. And so far the 5 agents seem to be convinced the best person is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And so being so shall see any campaign on your campaign more than 5 days, but you can see say the energy on the ground keeps increasing. And
commodity be yeah what ye or say I never dreamt of becoming a politician. I've always been interested in economics, but destiny has a way of directing you to new paths. Now, no, NAB says so. The economy is an asset economics, and I mean, we all know, say, why Juma or Bank of Ghana during the campaign, NPP campaign before Nana became the president. No, and I anymore. Ghana economy mo said the bear bit me. I found into my pefra. A bit was shifted from economy to digitalization. Why a press conference at Trim? The understanding still hasn't come out yet.
No, right. No, so I shifted from economy to digitalization. So I said, what should that to was analyze here? Economy and anything. Diana, it's also kind of economy who are on Kai. Diana, what kind of digitalization, and what kind of any other sector, and yet economy related. Into that issue, I don't know why it keeps coming up, and I think say you should Obia story on a baby now. What customer tool from the so many them say on Kasa economy. Say Nipaneka say Ebia fishery. He believes say a to be provided support. Now individuals a create a subsector, a being ensure say you been just storage facilities, any cold rooms are a bit more fisheries, so need to be protect your catch. Now it's me ama industry in Bawumia, any economy. Any economy. Now tell me bisa ye dim komo. Any economy. Say one embrantia artisans. Omo ye hairdressers in this make here. No mo to adwunu say baby abedru ni ba de akeni. Ono ni view no. See to me ehye ne ma yi. Na ye pekwan bi so a ye be make sure say omo ye adepam na omo yiti ni ade no. Aban be bo mo aso mo kutupa. Na omo support kakra moving into the future. Na etumi ebusi omo sector na eno enye economy eno eden economy na eden enye sa ne man na yekeka bomu ase etumi calculate GDP enye sa ne man na boost production and otherwise na etumi affect inflation enti economy na eden I want to understand.
And aboso kai for eden sembia PM Monte so say omadwuma egu. It was one of the places bra His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo obon to our tre say obeboa na watete duty. So among some of the things His Excellency the Vice President and the flag bearer of the MPP aka ho asem ene Togo ene Ghana yahye so said ya amanfo de ne ma peso o de fa Togo because of duties e wo fom o tre say obehwe na Togo ne Ghana duties no to me ayepe as Nkrofo wonder how he's going to do that. Of course, I heard him say that.
Exactly. So it's not economy. And first of all, the point you've made makes it useless. Anybody that says, hey, he's not talking about the economy. A lot of his conversation are based on the economy. And let me make a quick point. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia has always said, your foundation and your fundamentals has been weak. In the past 7 years, the preoccupation has been to see how we'll be able to build a very strong foundation and a very strong base for your economy. For example, your Bab Demu 2017, then the Padodoa, it's your taxes, I will mind with you. Kakebi. Enti nipa close to about 30 million no emuka krebi and HR taxes near nipa 30 million nyina. What it means is that say betumi nyeska ebeso nipa 30 million nyina so a this say ye the tour no ekeka bo ho ma nipa kakrebi na etua no. Enti 2 million people and 3 million people and 4 million people na etua ma for 30 million. Na say ye here 2 billion e dey affect 30 million people. E say 2 billion no e ma nipa 2 million no. Enti ema etono ekosoro for the individuals, and that's why you see the duty was low, you see say VAT was low, you see all the various tax components was low. Because we had a very informal economy. Obi opoma there on contributing BBR to the tax basket. Obi o on contributing BBR. In fact, you ankwankro mo ye nyuma kese kese or ye pure water or ye say on contribution. Why? Because on my we did not have a proper national identity database that is connected to the economic life. And for the past years, what we have been trying to do is to build that foundation. To mean jump start. One build this our foundation, we waste time. And that is why over the period, he says, listen, let's ensure that we have a proper synchronized national identity database. It's a YD card, I find a Ghana card. And no, and your bank account number ID. And no, and I'll register business, I will register. And no, any additional income tax, and your tax identification number. And now, what it means is that the number of people who are economically, you bet me, I can say, we can I have for you, Juma, then it's miracles, a year, Juma, TV3. Untumin see, untumin tete, adorson. And you know, we are at the point, you bet to me based on that national identity database synchronization. You bet to me making sure say you bet harness on no need to me there and no basis for our revenue collection. Because of that, we can have a 5-6 million people now contributing, other than previously a year 2 million. Now so for 2 billion, if you need 2 million, that's what be a bet 100,000. That's a nay who nipa 6 million. We'll say I did 2 billion every year. So bet me to someone about 50,000 will be each year. And that is why the vice president can now confidently say, baby, you bet to me after duties and taxes and so kakra. Nay to me making sure say, Nipado duona ababeka hono, or be able to me contribute to be. Nasa se kakrona ye pena de developer no, yes, to be aka. And on cano in vacuum, or cano based on the Juma, ya tohwa, and Mraswa, you bet to me afar going into the future. And so you bet to me, I can say, now you bet to me at so I answer so that. To me to so that because the necessary need to mean your foundation need to meditate so. And yet to me a yaman is and nothing all the tax reforms are you bet to me the back namana attractive. Ama one many and crankling you may to be a contributive what can was no and yet due to one better so. Even if I say taxes you are crown, don't want to be a flat rate. Now I say introduce digitalization. Say the bear and discretion. I don't know, so nipa ni between the tax now. Or would you say a toa a sefata say otriano, and no one otria, and yet dear nipa bin and penasem with trouble be adding. Amano.
What for the digitalization, and no, GRA for the betu just say this online way of payments, no, I say, or more have a challenges, kakra. Minim service at here because he is the one spearheading it.
Yeah, so if that, so there are challenges, and so they will be fixed.
Right.
That is the whole essence of introducing a system.
Right.
Once you introduce it, you have difficulties, you have challenges, you don't throw it away. You fix it because you know that is the best form of insurance. You bring transparency, accountability, and increased revenue generation.
Minim says strategy is so better now it is possible bus anymore. We see the bus all over wherever he is going. You saw Tnembi and then penny phone bit Tnembi, a few V8 following the campaign bus. Is that the strategy? We see him also walking all over. As we see from Nonam, Edin Tian Crawford Dietri.
Bebia Obekwa bus to me could be the bus Nebeko. Bebia Obekwa bus to me could be. Indeed, there are some places who do say obviously bus no ain't to me call. Meaning say me Mikruma. O Mikruma late Usania kwa Yikuma Dodoha. Sa Kevin Mono, Sa bus no ain't to me call. Enti baby sano yedua yebetumi si na the SUV sakwaba na abefa bus na yakọ the entia you very confident say
na ebisi ekrakra na dwan because as I musuro say mo de V8 ne be kwa na amanfo aka say na convoy tenten na mo ye
na ade na yesu na opposition leader no kra John Mahama ka no say na convoy kra wasen ye de nti ono kra no opposition leader or opposition leader no ono go to me the convoy tete kwa campaign na ntumi fanko ye pese ye de kwa ye de ko the decision to use the bus it has nothing to do with Crocodile John. It's a decision of the campaign team. And I'll tell you what, when you say primary bus, we are in the campaign, the same bus. The same bus we are in the campaign, Saturday white, near brandy. When you're the entire campaign, that campaign, you call each of the 275 constituencies. 275 constituencies. You're the bus and the call in a campaign. It is only we catch us a Crocodile Jonas and the panel again. Or can be to from no than no because I be paying. We are the Ayuma. And you say, yeah, but the year 2024 campaign, you use bus. Yeah, running a primary son. I was a spokesperson for the primaries. Yeah, running a primary son. I spoke about this severally. Yeah, the bus we are and yeah, they run a primary son. The same bus. And then this is how bus we are running primaries. I got 275 constituencies and you call each of the constituencies. I got 275 constituencies. How do you say yeah national campaign you see the same bus? We say I be paying. Sometimes no one say be the same approach. Yeah, no, we have a lot more advantage and benefit in using the bus than any other thing.
Now
Yako Regional House of Chiefs meeting every University of Energy and Natural Resources. Acquire another meeting. The flag bearer and the campaign team are in the bus, and we are having conversations on how the previous meeting went and where we should improve. And see, the bus is giving us a lot of chance to bond as a team, to engage. Bus in the yin senkwa, bus in the yedim komo, bus in the strategy as in the airport, bus in the air fire dream. And see, we are gaining a lot of advantage in this than just an issue of SUV. Who the SUV you will be at language.
Let me ask you your personal opinion about some of the comments by the Hafo. I have for no Nanado the Queen Mother, I think I've forgotten where she's from, and then Ohin Popronwa or what sa region Nimu comments or Mopasa. Were you surprised?
Oh, it depends on the comments. Say into being fat commentary in the wholesale. Obia the Obikibiano, we can analyze and see the pros.
Domahine said His Excellency Adiaba Beka fan ho is about yeah, then some more can on Tisatim the Debia in Nemu. I heard him at one point also saying say of Fahoa who say a buy a yaquine any idea na enti ohuna woka de enye so wo beka.
I think say maybe a matter of fact enti opinion input doesn't matter. To say who kwan ye kan what me say ene you be akonante who kwan so a ye gida ye be hu say ye be hu say who kwan no is being done. Enti e be den so bi beka say any opinion na or share the issue of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ho fama ne buo ne kwan of aswa. Or the year the Jumano. I think say no so it can be an opinion, but it's an opinion that a lot of people would share. But purely that's an opinion. And in terms of Nadibu, na Hofama, Nisuni, ne buy, na Hobrasia, Kwan of us or Kanipa Bomini, I don't think so my way will be a bit disputed help a politician back one. What is her at the end of the manner, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
In fact, I have for original House of Chiefs president. The Okaini Bawumia's presidency will be very good for Ghana.
I have no doubt, and I'm sure there are other millions of Ghanaians who have no doubt about it. 2024 elections, and young Kotua Bakakesi Mampini. 2024 yɛkɔ akɔto aba ayi obi a obetumi ɛde adwen foforo ababɛbɔ ɔman no
na mo kwa mo sesa nkrofo kwa na mehwɛ nwumre sɛ de ɔnam hɔ a na nipadɔm de atira ya mo de nkrofo kwa o
ɛyɛ ɔmunyim kwan bo sɛ Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ba be sifem because most of the places now osifem enante no enka ya itinerary ho enka ho nti odru bebi a odwen sɛ moman sini ntiatia na enante na rere fifie mu kaka na waye but you know say once Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia aba constituency ni mu nko ade obi wo ha o dedicate the whole day say na the whole day with Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Right.
You see people following, you see people engaging. I mean, and maybe sabi we did them kakra across the Sena Motu. Obaya Pia was your prep. Pia ebe hage Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. I say her entire life. This is one of the moments she was waiting for. Inti obi say no. About say Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia si fam ewo ne kuro no waka say obeka te ne fie. Inti once a osi fam a onante konina na edom no edoso obi ho ye run fie ne ekutia no na ye ne didim komo na ewia no no so ase pie fie bi ekiri bi na ono so aba beka ho ta ura market ma edwomfo yi uni omudi nkomo chiechom wie na okwa na omu nyina bopi na omu nyina di wachi eya honka eya nika eya nkram sesem ema Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia
men na wase ana pese unya mbre ene edi nkomo brano ye beba na ye nemo edi nkomo papa Dennis Miracle Aboagye and out in communication director ema Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne campaign ya wo ye
Onua 95.1 FM. Yeah, Junimo.